Welcome to our preview of this year's Changing Currents in Employment Law, the DC Bar's 3-hour fast-paced fall CLE covering cutting-edge topics in employment law. I'm Scott Oswald. I am faculty chair of Changing Currents in Employment Law, and I'm joined by Christopher Wilkinson, who is a senior counsel at the law firm of Perkins Coie. Hey, Chris.
Hey, how are you doing, Scott? Glad to be here.
Well, we are really happy to have you here as well, in particular, speaking at this year's Changing Currents in Employment Law. Your panel is Bias Cuts, How to Avoid or Prove Discrimination in a Mass Layoff. And boy, Chris, we've seen just all over the news, tech firms and banks and all kinds of big businesses downsizing, really seemingly in droves lately. Tell us just a little bit about your panel and your co-panelists.
Yeah, so our panel will walk through the legal landscape, facing employers as they, embark on thinking through risks and layoffs, and employees who may be subject to some form of downsizing. The legal landscape here is pretty complex, and the pitfalls for employers can be costly.
So if I'm in the audience, let's say, and I come to Changing Currents and I'm hearing your panel this year, what can I expect to learn?
Well, you can expect to learn a lot of different things. There are questions that come up on any of these issues, which is, hey, look, what's the current state of the law? How federal and state warrant laws may apply when you're thinking about risks. What actions can employers take, that can ensure that they're not targets of potential discrimination claims. But one of the things in my experience is that these RIF decisions move lightning fast and can get messy. So this presents opportunities for lawyers representing workers. So the panel will really walk through something that moves pretty quickly for employers themselves, that employees also can be at risk for mistakes that employers will make.
Hey, Chris, thank you. I am really looking forward to seeing you at this year's Changing Currents in Employment Law. It'll be October 25th, 2023 at the DC Bar headquarters. You can join us live or virtually on your Zoom screen. We look forward to seeing you. See you then.